slow-mo's getting crazy.
Hey.
Dude, is that pretty sweet?
Dude, it's awesome!
It's awesome.
Taking the video?
Yeah, trying to.
Did it break?
Oh my goodness.
I can't think of anything more awesome.
That was so cool.
The boat has seen its last.
Wow.
Oh my
You guys taking out
goodness.
trees on that one side thing?
Yes?
Dude, yeah, you're throwing like gravel in our face.
Yeah.
That was intense.
I got gravel all up in my eyes.
Oh yeah, dude, I got some.
Oh my gosh, that was so fun.
Oh, wow.
There's a couple times.
I can't think of anything better than this. Okay, we gotta figure out a way to hook it back up.
Yeah, we do. It's broken. Like the wood broke.
When you smashed into the
I know, I just like leaned over. It's like, oh, we're gonna take it.
Yeah.
Oh, I meant to go around the other way. I shouldn't have.
You should have just ripped by everyone, yeah.
Well, let's hook it back up. And I'll back it up.
That was
Actually,
crazy,
if you
dude.
wanna pull it and like move back that way. I'll drive back.
I'm glad I did laundry today.
Yeah, right.
Hey Ben, was that
Where are
fun?
you gonna?
Yes.
I'll turn around and play that way.
Well, yeah, I don't know.